Good morning, my dear Akshans. Today, are you ready to see about beekeeping? I think you are ready. Before that, shall we do one small activity? One puzzle. Can you try it out? Okay. So, the first question I have written here. Guess the next three letters in the series. I have given some letters G, T, N, T, L. Now, you pause the video and then try to find out. There are three more letters behind L. 1, 2 and 3. You try to find out the next three letters. Pause the video and then you find out. I think you would have written A, B, C, D and you have tried in the reverse order, in the ascending order, in different order, odd number, even number. I think many methods you have used to try this answer. So how many minutes you have taken? I believe at least more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes you would have taken, or more than 5 minutes. I think you are ready with the answer. Shall we see the answer? See, first letter I have written G. G is the first letter of guess. T is the first letter of the. N is the first letter of next. T is the first letter of 3. L is the first letter of letters. So identify the next three letters is I, T and S. So how many got it right? Very good. I can see many raising your hands. Very fine. Correct. So it is ITS. Now shall we go on to the topic? Yes. So it is an interesting topic, honeybees. Everybody likes honey. Many like honey cakes. Honey is a very sweet fluid, correct? So where do we get honey from? We get honey with the help of these honeybees. So what are the types of honeybees? I think some feel this topic is an interesting topic. So there are three kinds of honeybees, or three types are there. One is called queen bee, the second one is called worker bee, and third one is called drone bee. So there are three types of honeybees: queen bee, drone bee and worker bee. So if you take queen bee, actually this is a female bee, reproductively active female bee. Next one is workers. Workers are also female, but they lay unfertilized eggs. Here queen will lay the fertilized egg, but this one will lay unfertilized egg. This unfertilized egg develop into drones. Next variety is called drone bees. Drone bee is a male bee, and it will fertilize the young queen bee. Now I have drawn one hexagon shape. Actually, every bee has its own compartment. We can say each one is a compartment. It is in hexagon shape and it is a double layer made up of wax. This wax is produced by workers. So workers only will build this hive. So this is each compartment. Each one we call it as a compartment. So many hexagonal shape structure together forms the beehive. So there will be very pleasant smelling flowers, sweet fragrant flowers. Honeybees go to those flowers. They will suck the nectar from the flowers. So how will it communicate the message to the other bees that there are fragrant flowers? So through a help of a waggle dance or round dance. So with that dance, it will communicate that these flowers are having a sweet smell, sweet nectar to other bees. So it will call the other bees and it will suck the nectar from the flowers. So this is how these are some important points of different kinds of bees. So before we go into topic, let us learn some terms. First one is called apiculture. We already learned about this apiculture in the starting of the lesson, improvement of food resources. Now what is apiculture means? That is practice which involves rearing, caring and management. Remember, rearing, caring and management. These three practices of honeybees, these three practices are done for the honeybees. So such a practice we call it as apiculture. So once again I will repeat, practice which involves rearing, caring the honey bees are reared is called as apiary. The next one is honey flow period. What is honey flow period? The time which is taken for the bees to collect the nectar and pollen. So that we call it as honey flow period. So I think you have got the terms. Next we will see elaborately some of the points which are given in our textbook. So before that, once again I will brush up the points. There are three kinds of honey bees: queen bee, male bee, and then worker bee. Male bee is called the drone bee. The next one is about the important terms. First term we are seeing about the apiculture, that is practice which involves rearing, caring and management of honeybees for honey and wax. The next is apiary, the place for rearing honeybees. We call it as apiary. Honey flow period is total time during which the honeybees collect the nectar and pollen is called as honey flow period. So I think you have understood the terms. Now let us see elaborately about